Hello YouTube, welcome to Masterclass 101 Part 2, which I'm going to explain about nodes. What is node? Node is one of a tool that we just play around most of the time when we do color grading in Davinci Resolve. This is like adjustment layer into Premiere Pro with a geometric color. Here we have a different type of nodes: serial node, period node, layer nodes, and so on. Let's start with the serial nodes. A serial node which is allow you to do your twist on top of your previous node. Some people they do everything into same node, but to me I kind of feel more comfortable when I do twisting in particular nodes. This helps me to do back and forth my grading options, even change where I want it to be without worry anything. Before serial nodes is the same as original serial node, which is effects only first node before serial nodes. But whatever you go do in before nodes is going to affect also a next node, which is the serial node. But what you do into your next node, it doesn't affect the nodes before. To get the serial nodes or before nodes, click a right click, then trace into nodes you found it. Or Alt S to get your serial nodes, or Shift S to get your before nodes. A second is a period node. A period node is a node which takes information through nodes before and serial node, which is everything you do. It's collect your informations and drag internally, which is one of my best nodes to migrate break from. A serial node affect the previous node on top of it, as we know, but a period node affects it both in halfway inside it. Next we have a layer node. A layer node is just untaken nodes, which protects only previous node without giving information into next node. Most of people they use this as a qualifier, which is they select where they want, then it's going to be protected without do any changes into previous node. The last we have outside nodes. This is the same as a layer node except informations. Sometimes I call it invert node, which is what you do to your selection before into your previous node. Then you want same information but in other way. You may just do outside node, which is a bit helpful. I think you little bit understanding about node. Node is where we often do our stuff, grading, effects, LUTs, importing, whatever you want us to be in a nodes. But in here, down here, we have another option of reducing your grading intensity. You can just go right there and you just do your stuff and reducing some of stuff that you see as you importing your LUTs. Let's see how we importing LUT. In the LUT of a node, we just click, right click, and then we go to the LUT option. You choose any LUT you want, or sometimes you go to the LUT panel, which I show you on our previous video, right here, and drag and drop. Or sometimes you may just go to effect, drag and drop your effect into the node, and there, if you want to make intensity changes, you may just go down there and change your intensity as you want it to appear on your video. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you got something though. Those nodes have perfect result and worse result according to where you use them. So be careful when you use them and try to practice every time digging deeper into it. You might see your evolution changing. Please do not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel, comment down there, click the bell button to get a news notification time, like and share, subscribe if you never did. See you on part 3 of Masterclass 101 tutorial.